So find the domain and range of the following functions by first sketching its graph. We are going to do this together. Now, it may seem that if you picked your standard 5 centered numbers, -2 to +2, that would be great. It's not, unfortunately, because as we're going to learn, these graphs include what are formally called horizontal shifts, which means they move left or right somehow. So I'm going to tell you for the first one, we're going to pick the x values to be 0 up to 4. So let's evaluate it. What is 0 minus 2 quantity cubed? Zero minus 2, -8. 0 minus 2 cubed is -2 cubed is -8. What is 1 minus 2 quantity cubed? -1. No. 2 minus 2 quantity cubed. 3 minus 2 quantity cubed. 1. 4 minus 2 quantity cubed. 8. Why are people using these rectangle devices in their hands? That's weird. What are we going to do with these 5 ordered pairs? We are going to graph them. And connect the dots. Oh, it was going so well until the end. Let me redo that part there. Nailed it. The shape is a typical shape of a cube function. So this is a cubic graph. It's got that S-curve going on. For the second one, I'm going to tell you what x values to pick, and then I want you to graph it on your own. We're going to pick -3 up to 1. Correct. There you go. One more time, please. What I want you to do is for each one, please find the domain and the range based on the graph. Again, do not ignore the arrowheads, and let me know if you have questions. So for part A, f of x, how far left to how far right does the graph go? Yep. All the way. Domain is all reals. How about the range? How far down to how far up? Careful. Careful. Careful, careful. How far down to how far up does it go? Negative infinity to infinity. Also all reals. So for the second one, how far left to how far right does the graph go? How far left to how far right? All the way. Range, how far down to how far up? Down. Down. So when I tell you to go to the cellar, do you go upstairs? No. Down. 4. Is this negative infinity on the y-axis? Infinity. Remember, these are two number lines here. So the lowest it goes is 4. Since this arrowhead's pointing up, the highest it goes is forever. Do we include the 4? Infinity? Parentheses.